morning, my friend.
Good morning.
And how are you this morning?
How are you?
Good.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas. Season greetings all around.
Yes,
I see you feeding the birds.
that's right.
What makes you feed the birds?
Because they are hungry
Yes.
and they need to eat too.
Absolutely.
They used to feed them with bird seeds here, and they kind of stopped. So I guess they're just used to coming here to
Uh,
eat.
yes, I feed them too.
Do you?
Yes.
What do you feed them?
Well, I have all different kind of goodies like what you have there.
Yes.
But it's a season for sharing and giving, and
Sure is.
yeah, we have to share with the birds and the fishes and everybody. Everything around us needs some feeding, right?
Love animals.
Yes, that's a good thing.
Love them, yes.
Yes. Yes, my friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Anosa _ on the go. And yes, my friends, we all need somebody.
We all need somebody.
Absolutely.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Okay.